the 15 years of eventful journey, VBIT has emerged as a force in the engineering education. At VBIT believe that engineering education is not restricted to the four walls. We have to all-round education we have to give to the students. Other than this classroom education, we planned different forums to work for students to upgrade their skills and knowledge.
VBIT conferred autonomous status from University Grants Commission. It makes us more responsible in the coming days. So we would like to strengthen our research activity and incubation centers, startup activity, and this entrepreneurship. Already all these we are established in the college, but we would like to strengthen them more, being a autonomous college.
We have added many values in our academic curriculum. We have strengthened our teaching learning process in the due course of time. We have started best academic practices. We have started a wonderful feedback mechanism and the mentoring process. We brought many things and we added many values in routine teaching learning process. Tutorials, seminars, audiovisual classes in well-equipped audiovisual rooms are few examples of this teaching learning process.
The major activities of this cell is to make sure the students get some or the other kind of outcome in the form of say jobs, opportunities, higher education, and also being entrepreneurs. So one of the unique point of VBIT is that we offer a lot of training programs which are industry ready and industry collaborative.
It was established in the year 2005 with the vision of producing engineers of globally standard. Coming to our department, we have in BTech an intake of 120, and we also provide two MTech specializations. One is electrical power systems and the other one is power electronics and electrical drives.
The methodology of teaching here is, as usual, we go by the maximum, by the blackboard or talk and chalk nature, followed by certain these days we talk about PPT presentations and so on. Those two are also carried over, but much of the importance is given to the chalk and talk because the community, student community is here, they feel more at home.
It is in 2011 that the visionary management of VBIT thought of research center, and in 2011 they started a research center with me as the director. Now, not that research was not there earlier, it was there in bits and pieces in different departments, but after the center was born, all the research came under the umbrella of the R&D center, and we have gone miles in forward direction with research. Various research activities that are going on now. We have got mini boundary layer mast which is called MBLM, and ISRO has given it to us, and we can measure the pressure, temperature, wind velocity, humidity with it. Also soil measurement can be done, water vapor in the soil measurement can be done with it. So many students and staff members are working on this instrument.
As a result, right from the establishment of the institute, we have grown in all directions, maybe in terms of infrastructure, in terms of faculty strength, in terms of teaching learning process, in terms of laboratory equipment, and so on.
This is my library of my college. I just love coming over here. This is the place where I find peace, where I find a place only to myself. There is also a direct nature view from here, which is what makes this place wonderful. The best place of my college.
This institute is established in 2004-2005 with an area of 13.5 acres, and which is going to be one of the fascinating institutions which maintains greenery throughout this campus, and we have hygienic conditions within the campus and which maintains the atmosphere, the study culture, as well as a hygienic culture within the campus. This institution also provides the transport facility for almost all the candidates who are joining this institution. We are running almost 40 buses throughout all the corners of the twin cities in Hyderabad, so that they are able to reach this place in time.